This is the installation of the new dryer flex sleeve. Consists of this metal ring made out of 26 gauge steel and painted with a clamp riveted on. We're going to be using Innovate's dryer flex. These were designed specifically for the dryer flex. So we're going to demonstrate how we do this. This is an 8-foot piece. It comes with a factory edge that is not the best for connecting anything, really. It's kind of beat up. So, I mean, they've smashed it. This is how I like to do it. Keep it pretty much like that, and then I take my knife and I find a spot and I just start cutting. And I get around to the other end, pull out my cutters, cut it off like so. Then you're going to pull it out, flatten the edge best you can. There we go, there's one side. We'll do the other side real quick, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. All right, so we have two ends prepped. The best way to do this, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to show you how I do it. I hold the flex in my right hand and the dryer flex sleeve with my left hand. And I want to start with this. Find the ring, the helix ring. It's right there, right in there. And that is going to go in here, and then it's going to wrap on the bottom side of this rivet. And then you're going to turn this. You can start it way over here. You can start it back farther, but if you start it over this side, you're going to catch on here, and then it's going to just make it a little bit of a pain. So you squeeze the clamp a little bit, start turning it, make sure it's under the parts here, and just start spinning until you get all the way on. I think I caught that. And you'll see the aluminum part hits there. There's three slots here. This one's not quite down all the way. So we're just going to keep turning it until it's tight. And I think that's it. These are made to go one side or the other. There's a left and a right. So if you need to have this turn because of the machine's got something in the way, or the wall, if there's a gas line or something, you can flip these around. So I'm going to do this guy real quick. Make sure that that's flat. I usually just go around real quick and make sure it's going in, and then I start spinning it. If you spin it till it stops spinning, that usually means it's on there good. And you literally can pull this off. It's not going to hold until you put it on the dryer and the wall pipe. Next, we'll show you how we take it and install it on the dryer.